Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you an updated tutorial on how to make a LEGO Admiral Rampart. So without any further ado, let us begin. The first minifigure that you'll need is this Batman with dual moulded legs. You will then want the torso from any Imperial officer of your choice. The head that I used came from the U-Wing Pilot Microfighter minifigure. And finally, the hair came from this brick suit minifigure. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're putting it together. And there it is, my LEGO Admiral Rampart minifigure. I haven't made any changes from the last tutorial, but instead I just wanted to up the quality a little. If you have any ideas for any more minifigures that you'd like to see me make, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you could give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. If you want to make any more Bad Batch minifigures, I will put my Gregor tutorial on the end screen now, as well as my Purist Customs playlist.